V is for volcano. Volcano.
This volcano is near the water.
Yes, it's erupting.
You never want to be near a volcano. Wow, so much volcano.
What's that fiery stuff coming out?
Lava.
That's right.
But when it's inside, it's magma.
That's right. What's this fiery stuff?
Lava. The river of lava.
And what is lava?
It's molten rock. There's a volcano deep down in the ground.
Yeah, what's that coming out?
Wow!
Yes, it's smoke and ash.
See this volcano? Nothing is coming out.
That's right, we call it dormant when it's not doing anything.
It's a dormant volcano. It's a dormant volcano.
And this one even has a lake in it, look.
V is for volcano. Volcano.
V is for van. Van.
Vans come in all shapes and sizes and are used for transporting and delivering all sorts of things.
Now we don't know what's in the parcel. We will have to use the X-ray to see what's in.
This is a parcel delivery van.
Camper van. And there's a bicycle on the back.
Yes, they're usually used for holidays.
Police van. There's policeman behind it. Here's an ice cream van.
Is that your favorite kind of van?
Yes, because it has yummy ice cream. V is for van. Van.
V is for viaduct. Viaduct.
It's a kind of bridge.
You're right, it's a kind of bridge. They keep roads and railways level as they cross valleys. Some viaducts need to be very tall to get across deep gorges and valleys. Look at the size of this one. Oh look, this one's going into a tunnel. Is it a road or is it a railway?
Railway. Railway viaduct.
Yes, that's an old style steam engine. It looks a bit like the Hogwarts Express. And what sound does a steam train make?
Choo choo. Here's a car one.
Yes, and it's going in a big bend.
It's very tall. V is for viaduct. Viaduct.
V is for vault. Vault.
That's a steering wheel.
Not a steering wheel, just a wheel to open the locks on the vault door where they keep money and other valuables. This looks like gold bars.
That's only in a bank.
That's right, this is a bank vault. These boxes are called safety deposit boxes. They're also in a bank vault. It's where people keep their valuables safe.
He's about to do something, Mama. Get ready. He's doing a backflip.
This is another kind of vault in a sport called gymnastics. What's that he's holding?
A stick.
Yes, but it's called a pole.
Why is he using that?
This is athletics. He's doing something called a pole vault.
Pole vault. V for vault. Vault.